Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about tuple in Python. Tuple look just like a list, except we use parentheses instead of square brackets. Once we define a tuple, we can access individual elements by using each item index as we would for a list. So let's see if we have a tuple of dimensions 300 by 100, and we can print individual values. Just print dim and the index location, and same for the next one. So we defined a tuple over here using parentheses instead of square brackets. Then we print each element in the tuple individually. So the same syntax that is being used for accessing elements in a list. So let's run our code and check the output. And here is the output. We cannot assign a new value to an item in a tuple. So for example, let's go back and try to modify one of the values. So for dim and index 1, we do 200. And when we run our code, we get this message: tuple object does not support item assignment. To keep on learning, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you for watching.